This is OPPO Reno 8T, and today I'm going to quickly demonstrate that you can enable the high resolution camera mode on this device. So in order to get more details out of your photos, which generally achieved by taking a picture using more megapixels, you gotta enter the more section of the modes over here and choose the extra HD. And now if we'll take a proper picture, we will be able to zoom into it and see how many details it preserves. So let's see. So yeah, the logo is not properly in focus, but if we will, that's on my curvy hands. So if we'll enter the image details, we'll see that it was taken at the very high resolution of 9024 by 12003 or 032 rather. So that's a lot of megapixels if you ask me. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.